How are the two theories mentioned in the passage different? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, evidence versus hypothesis. The second paragraph mentions that the first theory is based on evidence of high amount of iridium. Also, the third paragraph mentions that the second theory considers fossil evidence regarding mass die-offs. So it can be inferred that both theories are based on evidence rather than one theory is based on evidence and other theory being a hypothesis. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, climate change. As the second paragraph mentions, in Alvarez theory, the theory is based on drastic changes in the climate. Also, the third paragraph mentions that the Deccan Traps theory considers the change in Earth's temperature over a few million years. So it can be inferred that both theories consider climate change. Additionally, the fourth paragraph mentions that no matter which theory you study, scientists are learning something about the effects of dramatic climate change. So this reference also indicates that both theories consider climate change. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, cataclysmic versus gradual extinction. The second paragraph mentions that according to the Alvarez theory, there was an impact by a meteor which followed a drastic change in the climate. So it can be inferred that this theory suggests cataclysmic or sudden extinction. Also, the third paragraph suggests that according to the Deccan Traps theory, the Earth's temperature was changing for a few million years and the dinosaurs were in a slow decline. So it can be inferred that this theory relates to gradual extinction. So overall, this answer choice can be established from the passage. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, more scientists support one theory than the other. The passage makes no suggestion regarding how many scientists support any theory. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, fossil evidence. The second paragraph mentions that Alvarez theory is based on dinosaur fossils. Also, the third paragraph mentions that the Deccan Traps theory considers fossil evidence. So it is correct to state that both theories consider fossil evidence. So it is incorrect to state that one theory doesn't consider such an evidence. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer.